Bot InvestAI. Is this a legit crypto AI trading bot or a massive scam? Find out in this video. Now, before we get into this, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Click that bell icon so every time I bring a new video, you'll be notified right away. I do news, I do reviews, and I do trainings on how to make money online without trading your time for it. For example, and a great example is this one right here. Basically, my goal is to help you to get to $100 a day with this particular strategy, where once you're set up, it only takes you 5 to 10 minutes per day to implement. I've been doing this for several months and I'm around almost $5,000 per month. But here's the thing, I'm not investing a lot of time in it. So this is something that you can do long term and it gets real results as long as you take action, right? So watch this video if you want to add this income stream where it only takes 5 to 10 minutes a day to set up. And if you want to get into crypto the right way, where you invest in legit crypto projects that pull in anywhere between 60 to 200% a year, that even have insurance, crypto insurance in case the market drops by like 40%. Go to wealthwithdefi.com, watch that free training from my business partner, and you'll see exactly how it's done. And it's so semi-passive, meaning that once you are set up with that, you just got to check in once or twice a week for like 5 minutes to see how everything is going. That's pretty much it. And you'll be supported by actual live trainings every week, actual baseline training system where you can set yourself up, and also just, other people that are crushing it as well. So watch that free training at wealthwithdefi.com. And for some of you, you'll have the opportunity to book a strategy session with them. If that button pops up after that training saying book a call, book that call, get on that call, and they'll show you a strategy on how to get to your goal. So if you want to make an extra $1,000 a month, 5,000, 10,000, whatever it is, they're going to lay out a strategy on how to do that. Okay. And it's not going to be, fluff or BS. It's going to be a real strategy. And here's the thing. This is a long-term thing. Okay. You're not going to make $1 million in 2 days. That stuff doesn't exist. So they're going to show you, if you want to make 6 figures in a year, they're going to show you exactly how to get there. So it might take a year or two, but again, it's so semi-passive. Once you're set up, 5 to 10 minutes every time you check in, and that's about it. So if you want to be in a better place in a year or two from now, go to wealthwithdefi.com. Okay, so let's just jump into this. So I looked at the actual company information, and here's the issue with this thing. Couldn't find any bios from the actual team leaders, no development team listed, no physical office location, not even a fake meet our team page with stock photos. They didn't even bother with that. They call themselves an AI powered investment solution, but you won't find a single traceable human being behind this operation. Heck, even anonymous meme coins have more transparency than this. Try Googling the company. You'll find a vague reference and invest reviews that all look eerily similar because they were probably written by the same affiliate trying to climb the payout ladder. If this were a real AI platform with proven results, the founders would be on every podcast from Tim Ferriss to Bloomberg. But here, radio silence. So let's just go into the products. There's no real products in this company. What you can do is you can become an affiliate and just promote this thing. That's what this is really about. And what I've noticed was that, so they do have an affiliate program. This is a MLM style program where there's 3 tiers. So this is how they're pulling in their returns. They get new investments that pay off existing members. And eventually, once the new investments slow down, the recruitment slows down, that's when these companies start generally rug pulling. They'll come up with excuses saying, oh, we had a maintenance thing, or we got hacked, or the SEC is after us, or I don't know what kind of excuse they'll come up with. But usually that's what this is. So red flags, no public founders, no real AI or bot access, absurd ROI promises, pyramid-like referral structure, zero regulatory oversight, no product, no proof, no support. So that is why this thing is 99.99999% a scam. So they usually launch a flashy site, promise riches, reward recruiting, exit silently. They just pull the plug and the website goes offline. Generally, that's how it works. So yeah, they're pretty much saying that they can make 20 to 30% daily, which is ridiculous, right? I haven't seen that in a legit crypto project. And what these things do is you're going to probably jump in it. Maybe you'll make some money and then they rug pull on you and you lost everything. I've seen people that jumped on my YouTube videos saying that, yeah, I lost 10 grand in this project, or, you know, these Ponzi schemes really. Or I saw one person lost $100,000. If they invested in wealthwithdefi.com and legit crypto projects with that $100,000, that would fund their whole lifestyle. Like whole lifestyle. They'll be pulling in anywhere between $60,000 to $200,000 a year on that 100 grand investment. And again, at wealthwithdefi.com, we'll show you how to insure it. Get insurance, crypto insurance. They take a little bit of the return, but if you're making 60 to 200%, it take 1 or 2% per month. That equals like 10 to 20% a year. But if you're making 60 to 200% a year, who cares, right? That's just super, makes it reliable, and you don't have to worry about being exit scammed on. So yeah, don't jump on these things. Just go to wealthwithdefi.com and finally start building your wealth properly. And all these people that got scammed to 10 grand, 100 grand, if they just stuck with wealthwithdefi.com, this was a few years ago, in year 1 and 2, yeah, you'll be financially free by then, especially if you have $10,000 to $100,000 to invest. Like you have been set up. Personally, this is what I did a few years ago, and this income stream now funds everything, and everything I make extra is all gravy, meaning it's all profit. All the bills are paid, everything is good, and it's been an amazing ride. And stuff like this is what really helps you change your life. People think, they're stuck at where they are in the 9 to 5. The truth is, I used to be a car mechanic, and I found opportunities. Okay, and if a car mechanic like me can pull out of there and not work 60 hours a week and make someone else rich, so can you. I'm not that smart. So if I can do it, you can do it. Seriously, just you gotta stick with it. That's the key here. Stick with it in the long run, and you'll be good. So anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, buddy.